maybe it's a little shishi. The real flex is traveling just to get your hair done. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. I feel like it's been a while since I filmed a video, but I am in Toronto. Literally, I came to Toronto to get my hair done, and I was thinking to myself, I was like, it's kind of a flex, you know? I'm only here for a couple of days, and I thought it would be fun to, first of all, film it. Second of all, film the hair appointment. That's the most important, okay? We are going to see a hairstylist that we've never seen before, but she's a tight curl specialist. She's on Instagram. She's pretty big on there. She does a lot of, it's interesting. I don't know what to call it. Like, what does she call it? It's basically going on tour and doing people's hair and teaching them about taking care of their natural hair, especially if you want to transition from, you know, using oils and butters to not using oil and butters. All that to say, I am super excited. Today's a chill day. I took the train to Toronto. So I actually really enjoy taking the train. It's a very calm journey, and I find that I get, one, a lot of work done, and two, I can bring my full-size skincare products with me, you know, because, you know, when you're taking a flight, you go to all the hustle of airport security and anyways, I'm only here for a few days. I don't want to carry a lot of stuff, but I do want to bring my skincare products with me, you know? Of course, I have to show you the hotel room. One thing that I've learned about me is, maybe it's a little shishi, but if I'm gonna pay to stay in a hotel, it has to be an upgrade from my house. That's what matters to me. Those are my values. I want it to be brighter than my house, nicer than my house. I hate those hotel rooms that are all like brown and dark and dingy. It's like, why? Why have you not renovated yet? It's 2022, almost 2023, matter of fact. You know what I mean? Let's get it together. Anyway, I stayed a little bit further away than I wanted to just because I didn't want to be in a brown, dingy, dark hotel. So I am going to show you the hotel in a second. Today, honestly, is a chill day. I am going to just work. I have so much work to do. I am so behind. I honestly feel like I haven't worked in the past 2 months. Oh my God, it's not that bad. Is it that bad? I needed time to recover from my 9-to-5, girl. I really feel like I haven't sat down to really get some heads down work when it comes to my influencing stuff. So while I'm away, this is one of the main things that I want to do. I actually got a lot of things done when I was on the train, and it was pretty interesting. Basically, what I've done is starting to plan out 2023, and I know, it feels so weird talking about 2023, but honestly, it's right around the corner, and I'm not gonna beat myself up trying to save 2022. I'm just gonna start 2023 strong, and that starts now, really. I'm doing a lot of planning, redefining, figuring out who I want to become, how I want to show up online, values that I want to provide, videos that I want to make, topics that I want to talk about, just really taking the time to define and find clarity on these things so that when 2023 comes around, I'll have to figure it out. Anyways, you didn't ask for all that. Let me show you the hotel room. This is what you see when you walk in. You basically walk right into the bathroom. Interesting, but it's pretty nice. It's pretty cute. I like bathroom that have nice finishes, you know? Keeps me motivated to work. I can't have the same dingy things that I have at home. One thing about me is I'm going to travel comfortably, okay? Sweats all the way. It's the only way to do it. I like traveling light, and I like traveling comfortably. Moving on along. I guess this is a little area for you to put your clothes. You know, all the basic stuff. Toilet, towels, and this is the shower itself. And then when you go to the other side, you have the bedroom. It's pretty cozy. I like how bright it is in here. That's my thing. I need light. I can't be in a dark room. I don't like it. My house is bright. Started getting myself comfortable. Nice little seating area, TV, another window, chair. So pretty basic, but you'll be surprised how hard it is to find a nice hotel that doesn't cost you 2 arms and a leg and that's comfortable. You can barely see it, but across from me is a mall, and it's pretty deadly because look at that. That's Aritzia, and Aritzia is one of my favorite stores. So I'm very tempted to go across, but I'm not here to spend money, girl. I'm here to get my hair done and work. But it's very interesting how there's a mall right across from me. Low-key, I want to take a nap, but I feel like that's a bad decision. If I start taking naps now, I'm probably not gonna get done everything that I want to do today. So how about we just get work out of the way, and then maybe I'll go out for dinner Ooh, dinner by myself. I really enjoy time alone, you guys. You don't understand. I'm very happy to just be alone in the room by myself without no hard feelings to babe. We love him, but I love being alone. It's such a good time to not only relax, but think, meditate. I love it. So I think I may just go out, but I'm kind of feeling lazy. I don't want to go out per se. I may order food, but at the same time, Jen, my excuse for not going out is because I don't have sunscreen on. And actually I've been slacking on sunscreen. I just haven't found one that I really love that doesn't leave me either ashy or extremely oily. So I just don't wear any. Don't tell nobody, girl. Okay, I don't know if I showed you, but this is the bag that I came with. Literally, that's all I packed. But I'm only here for 2.5 days. So it's not that bad. The only thing I swear that's heavy in this bag is skincare. Like, why do I need full-size bottles wherever I go? Hey girl, I'm popping in quickly to Today is a very exciting day because we're going to get our hair done. Now, I don't mean by me, you know, me doing my hair is not exciting. A stylist who knows what they're doing my hair, extremely exciting. Actually, let me give you a little background. My hair, obviously I got rid of the color, but I cut it myself and there are some ends that needs to be perfected. It's very uneven and I also want a nice like tapered shape. I want to take all of this out so that, you know, it's clear that it's tapered. Right now, I feel like my hair is basically the same-ish length all around and it's very uneven. So this is where my hair is right now. And I know a lot of people are asking me, Jen, when are you gonna grow your hair out? I don't wanna make any promises, but I feel like after this cut, which is why I'm excited to have it done by a professional, I may let it grow. I may let it grow after this one, but you know, I'm not making any promises.
Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me.
Girl, it's me. I know, it doesn't even look like it. I'm in a total rush. I am heading out to dinner with Elaine and I wanted to do my makeup over, look cute, but I don't have time, so I'm rushing. And I hate to rush. It's not fun, okay? No, I don't even know where I put my lipstick. So, okay, I'm just gonna put a little powder right under my eyes, thinking it works, probably. And then the lips. I brought a special red lipstick just for this occasion and I don't know where I put it. And it was just in my hands. It's because I'm rushing. All right, I found it. A little bronzing. Why not? I hate being late. It's dark anyway. No one's gonna see my makeup. I am actually going to call the Uber. 3 minutes away. I can do this. How? How? It's already a minute. Let's go. Oh no. All right, come on, girl, let's go.
We take the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain. All
right, so we are back from dinner and I am stuffed. You hear me? I can barely move. And I realized I left in such a fancy earlier that I didn't show you my outfit. Okay, I am wearing what we called the winter uniform, which is basically a longer-ish black silk shirt. We have on tights, some nice boots. We really love the boots. A big scarf. to keep us warm. The winter uniform. Here it is. And of course, my hair, okay? We like the shape, and I can't wait for it to grow out like this because it's in such a tapered shape that it's gonna give me, I don't know, even more va-va-voom as it grows out. At least that's how I imagine it in my head. I am so full that I'm ready to just slide in bed. So of course we are going to do our skincare, slide into our pajamas. Actually, you know what? I want to take a shower. I am gonna take a shower. Call it a night. That's what we're gonna do. Well, good morning. It appears that it's time for us to go home. It is really foggy outside. Oh, my hair. I just did it yesterday. Okay. We have to go fix it. That's what I don't like about when you first get your hair done and you go to bed and it's not fully dry yet. You have to use your fingers to get it back where you want it to go. My hair feels so soft. That's better. You can see the back here. And I feel like I have a little flat area back there. Okay, we're good enough. I'm just going home, y'all. I'm gonna call an Uber and then catch the train. It's gonna take a while for me to get to the train station because of traffic, which is why I wanted to leave early and not stress myself out, okay? Anyways, let's go.